Hey guys, so as you can see from today's title, I am going to try to install my very first wig. As many of you know, I shaved my head not too long ago, so now that my hair is growing, it's very frustrating because I used to love doing my hair and getting all dolled up, but now it's like, well, what can I do? So I'm going to try to install my very first wig. I tried to put on the wig cap, but since my hair is so short, I can't really get it to be in the place I want it to be. So I started spraying some hairspray all over the front of my hair. Yeah, it doesn't really work too well since my hair is so short, but here goes nothing. And now I look like a thumb. Nope, there we go. Carrie's a thumb. And more hairspray because that's what I saw in a tutorial. Guys, I watched like 20 tutorials before I actually had the balls to try it out myself. So now look at me, I'm a sticky thumb. And I saw that they kept using a blow dryer to try to get everything dry quick enough. And I was like, maybe, hey, this will work for me too. But then I kept burning my scalp and my skin every time I did this. And it was plenty of times I had to use the blow dryer, and you guys will see that in a bit. One thing I wish I knew before going into this was how annoying the part near your ears where your sideburn would be. Very frustrating. In one of the tutorials I saw that she geniusly made a little hole through her ear so that way your ear can get comfy. And this was probably one of the scariest parts, taking these really thin, tiny eyebrow scissors to cut the wig cap. I think the wig cap was one of the most meticulous things of this entire experience. I wasn't sure how much to cut off of this wig cap, especially because it was my first time and everybody I saw doing tutorials was like a pro or has done it plenty of times before. So everybody knew exactly how much to cut, you know, where to cut and all of that. And me having a ginormous forehead, I was so confused whether to do it all the way up to my hairline or to leave it a little bit lower. I had no idea what I was doing. I was just going with the flow and hoping this would work. And like I mentioned, the sideburn slash ear part of it all was so frustrating because since my hair was so short at this point, I couldn't really get the hair behind my ear. So it was just kind of laying there and it was so annoying. So here I go again with a lot of hairspray. And I saw someone in a tutorial use like either a stick or a part of a comb to try to get it down because using this hairspray made your hands so sticky. And here I go again trying to cut off more of this lace. And here's my beautiful wig. I will put a link down below for anyone that wants to buy a wig. I got my wig from Instagram, this girl that does wigs, and they look so beautiful on her and her clients, and I thought I should have one too, and I wasn't sure how long to get it at all, so this was just me winging it. Now that I put my wig on, I saw a lot of people put foundation or something to kind of make the wig cap blend onto their skin, so I thought I'm gonna do it too. So here I go, smothering my foundation all over the edge of my wig cap, trying to make it blend. And I was trying to get that little squiggly line to go away from the wig cap, but I just realized I cut it really bad. So here I am with my little derma blade thingamajig, trying to get these little scraggles out. And I would say it kind of worked, but next time I definitely realized I need to cut this wig cap closer to my hairline, just a little bit closer, not too much. And here goes the hairspray. I told you guys I used a lot of hairspray and a lot of blow dryer time. I was not kidding. Yes, I'm done. And here I have some wig glue stuff that I found at the beauty salon store thing. I don't know. It wasn't a Sally's Beauty. It was just some random beauty place. And I saw that you have to put it around the wig cap edge and your forehead. And everybody said, make sure it does not get on your edges, because then it can pull off your edges, which my big forehead does not need that to happen. So you gotta make sure it's dry and kind of tacky before you put your wig over. So here I am trying to pull it down without really getting too much glue on my fingers, because my fingers were already super sticky, which was not good. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. You put that wig on. So here I am trying to make sure that the wig is looking kind of normal on my head. Like I said, I have a big forehead, so I'm trying to make sure it looks normal for me and not as fake as I think it looks on me. And this wig is a middle part, but I decided to shift it over so it's kind of like a side part, not too drastic. So that's why on one side it looks like the wig lace is a little shorter. And now I'm cutting the lace. Ugh, the cutting part is so stressful. Cutting your wig cap and cutting the lace is so stressful. I saw in a lot of tutorials, people either cut their lace before they put it on, or they cut it while it's on their head. And either way, since it's my first time trying to put on a wig, I wasn't sure what way was going to work for me. So I thought, whatever, let me just try it out. And guys, I regret it. I truly regret doing this when it's on my head, because I was going insane. I always felt like you need to get closer to the hairline of the actual wig, and I don't think I was, actually as close as I could get. As you see right here, like, you can still see there's space between my scissors and my hair from the wig. Look, you see that gap, you see that. I see it, you see it. And like I said, look, this ear area was so annoying because I couldn't get the hair behind my ear because it was so short. It's too short to put behind my ear, and it's too long for it to hide under the actual wig cap. It's annoying. So I'm trying to do everything to hide that area. And mind you, the hair is going to be over my ears, but me being so picky, I wanted to make sure that did not happen. I'm telling you, this lace and wig situation, it's... if you're trying to put on a wig for the first time, from my tragic first time experience, I would say definitely cut it before you put it on, because I know that's what I'm gonna do next time I have a wig. Because look, this is so stressful to even watch back, because I'm right next to the mirror trying to make sure I don't cut any of the hair and that I don't stab my face with these really thin, sharp eyebrow scissors. Yes, girl, you cut that lace. You cut that lace. Oh, who's that cutie in the back? Okay, goodbye. I think it was really difficult for me to actually know where to cut the wig cap versus the wig lace. which is why I definitely think next time I will make sure that the lace is cut off the wig when I install it, so that way it's easier for me to differentiate. Did I say that right? Differentiate. There we go. And like I said, that sideburn area was so annoying, mostly on that right side. The left side wasn't too bad, but the right side was more annoying. And I had a lot of hairspray stuck on my forehead, and I was looking really weird and blotchy. So I decided to get a makeup wipe and try to get that off without irritating my skin so bad. But I turned red really quickly, so as you can see right there, my skin's already freaking out. And here we go. The wig is on, but now I need to have some baby hairs, because I see everybody with wigs have really cute baby hairs, and I said I should do that too, so that way my wig looks a little bit more natural. So that's what I'm trying to do at this moment. I decided to cut some hair using these tiny little scissors, and I'm using this edge gel thing that I got at the beauty store, and I wasn't getting, anything pricey since I'm not using a wig daily or anything. Just wanted to get something to get the job done. And I had this extra toothbrush because I didn't see any brushes that would do the work at the beauty store. I've never tried to do any edges with baby hair before when I had my long hair. So this is all super new to me, and it was very annoying. It was very difficult. As you can see, I'm struggling for dear life, but it was very, very exciting once I got something going that didn't look too tragic. I tried a lot. Right there, I don't think it looked too bad. See? Yeah, I was shocked. I don't think it looked too bad, but I think it definitely could have looked better. But like everything in this video, it's my first time trying it all. And hey, I think this might be it. All right. Put a little bit more wig glue on there since the edge keeps lifting up. I think it's just because I had it so saturated from that. All right, now some more baby hairs to the other side. Trying to get some cute edges. Let's see how this side turns out. Once again, just trying to trim this hair so that way it's short enough that I can maneuver them into laying down these edges. There we go. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Hey, on that first swoop, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, as someone that has never done their edges before this, I don't think it's too bad. To anybody that does their edges like this, can you please let me know if this is okay, mediocre, novice, anything? On a scale to 1 to... Oh no, baby girl, you got a 0 on that one. Okay, we're trying again. But on a scale of 1 to 10, once I'm done laying down these baby hairs that I created, please let me know, what do you honestly think of these edges that I'm trying for dear life to make look decent? And when I was trying to get my hair situated, I realized that this side was a little bit too long. So I decided to cut it a little bit more just so it wouldn't stick onto the long hair. Yep, this time it worked out great. And since I've never worn a wig before, I wasn't sure how this length was going to look on me. If I'm not mistaken, I believe this wig was 24 or 22 inches long. But overall, I think for the first time, it's not too bad. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.